This is a 2011 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 5.0-liter V8. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, air conditioning, a folding rear seat, automatic locking wheel hubs, and this vehicle has less than 29,000 miles. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road in Louisville.